This is how to see TikTok watch history or the comment history, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your TikTok and log into your account, of course. So let me watch some videos here. So right here you have to just click on your profile icon at the very bottom right corner. Now click on the vertical three lines at the very top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Here in the content and the display section, you will find an option of comment and watch history. Simply click on this option here. So yes, you will be here and find here the two options. First one is the watch history and second is the comment history. You just need to click on the watch history in order to see your watch history of your TikTok. And you can see here my watch history of TikTok. I have watched these videos recently. So you can also check your comment history on which videos you have commented. I have commented on these videos. So I just click on the comment history to check my comments. And yes, this is how to see the watch history on your TikTok. So that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a big help for you. Thanks for watching.